Yeah.
If I'll get it done. I hope me not jump out there. I give you the yard. Yeah, I think the Rasta man them have to do in our world. They have little boys and girls. Oh, that's your nice car. I like that car. I always stop you and say hi to you. Ah, I didn't know it was her car. Good night, man.
You ain't going to. You're going to.
Yeah.
I need to go back. I need to go back another way. Remember the story if you can go next time. I like how those fit, you know. I like those fit. Yeah, yeah. Last night. Yeah, we're gonna go. Where we go? Oh, okay. All right.
Up in the sky with that one.
Hey.
Yeah, man up in the sky. That's what Rasta do. Yeah. Rasta does what Rasta do. I want their peace. Alright. I'll chip down everything that I'm up in the tree. I'm gonna give thanks. What's up, people?
Yeah, Rasta does what Rasta does. Yes. Natural, you know, and real. That's how you go, you know. As you can see, as you can feel. It's Rastafari soldier here, the Crocus bag farmer. Yeah. Just heights up some jelly in the sky. Yeah, this is sky water, you know. More life and more joy. I know, man, I lie. Bless up all the friends and families that have subscribed to the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel, more life and more joy. It's the Crocus bag farmer. They're showing you how to harvest some coconut water. I'm going to try to find myself up in these trees again. But you know me, I say, big up all my families and friends worldwide. No bribe. More life, more joy. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment.